Hi, Bob Kizek with Anderson-Negele, here to give you a little demonstration on the ITM 51. This is a backscatter turbidity sensor that we launched earlier this year and is used in applications for product phase transition, typically water flushes pushing out product through a plant. With that in mind, oftentimes I'm asked the question, how does an ITM 51 really relate to the product that's moving through my plant? And so what we're going to do is we're going to do a little demonstration using these glasses and an ITM 51 and demonstrate for you how the ITM can measure changes in the concentration of your product. So I'm going to start with a pitcher of whole milk, and I'm going to fill up these glasses at varying levels. First, I'm going to go for a glass that has a full concentration of milk. Next, about 3/4 full. 25%. And lastly, just a small amount in the bottom of the fourth glass. Next, I'll take my water. Obviously, I'm not going to add anything to that because we're going to want to measure full product. But I'm going to top this one up. I've got my concentrations of liquid sent. So now we're going to take the ITM 51, which is cabled to this box, which gives us a direct milliamp reading of the output of the ITM 51. Those milliamps would be wired typically to your plant PLC, where decisions would be made on what we should do depending on the concentration. So under the circumstance that the pipeline's full with whole milk, we'll submerge the tip of the ITM, and you're going to see that the milliamps have rose. On my display, which you can't see, I have a reading of about 79,000 NTUs. Taking the ITM out, moving over to our lower concentration, you can see that the milliamps have also dropped, and my display is indicating a turbidity of 61,000 NTUs. At this point, we would no longer be pushing product into a final product tank, and instead be recovering it probably for high solids waste use. Going to the even lower concentration, further down on the milliamp output, the display is reading 31,000 NTU. And then lastly, our virtually trace dairy content, I've got a reading of 1.98, and you should be viewing a fairly low milliamp reading. Thank you for watching.